Hola. Hey Mr. Nkomonde. Yeah, bhuti man ngicela ukuthi manje ngikhulume nawe yabo concerning lama video lawa owayenzile. I-video e-1 ne-live yabo. Yeah, and I think I'm the rightful person ukuthi ngingaphendula because ukhulume ngama ex-convict and I'm one of them, and wakhuluma ngama podcast ayi-2 and ngibuya khona lapho yabo. So yonke into ekhulumile bhuti mina most nje 90% angikuphikisi yabo. Yeah, but inkinga enginayo mina kula ufika ugeneralize khona yabo. Unga generalize but kula ufika umosha yonke into khona yabo. Kula ngifika ngiba nenkinga ma ugeneralize kusho ukuthi uthi lama ex-convict abuya ku-Scheme GP uyabona, lama ex-convict abuya ku-Agenda Network uyabona. And enye into futhi engibonile ukuthi wena bhuti wami unenkinga ngayo yabo ukuthi sonke ema-podcastini even without lawa ayi-2 maningi ama-podcast akhuluma lento ngeyitori zasejele yabo. Always nje sifaka ama-prison warder, and rightfully so bhuti ukuthi sifaka ama-prison wardens because siphila nabo masida yabo, siphila nabo and asigeneralize yabo. As for mina in particular ungahamba wonke ama-podcast wami bhuti wami kudala ngihamba, probably mina ngidlula abaningi yabo, angaze ngageneralize. And mangabe ngiyagesa bhuti yabo ungathola ukuthi mina ngaboshwa wena ungakabi prison order, but ke even nalapho bekunama-prison wardens right. Siyazi kunabo baba nabo mama mfowethu abaqondile and siyayisho leyo nto. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi maybe wena bhuti wami uvele waba nenkinga nje ukuthi uyi-prison warden and mhlawumbe uhlangana nama-questions all the time and lento wayithatha ngesifuba bhuti wami. Ungayithathi ngesifuba, yehlisa umoya mngani wami yabo. Ma ungalalela lapha yana sikhulumile omunye nomunye ukhuluma isitori sakhe. There is no way bhuti wami la uthola ukuthi siyaglorify khona unless awusithole kahle nabanye abantu abasithole kahle uyabona. Even noma ungalalela kuma-podcast abantu baye basho ukuthi no, it is not about glamorizing or glorifying a crime. And thina sila ukutshela iyitori zethu, asikhulumi ezabanye abantu, of which ngibone ngathi wena kunala unganama-fact khona bhuti wami because awulali nama-prisoners yabo. Ngenhlonipho enkulu awulali nabo lezo zokuthi bayabhejwa abomahosha ini bhuti wami uziqoqelwe maybe, or uke wabona umuntu bayenza i-sex naye straight kube yenze something ke. Yes, lezo iyitori zakho ngasitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngeke ngabona so uyabona, angeke sikuphikise isitori sakho plus usebenza lapho ezushilo yabo. But ngibonile ngiyaqolisa lapho kuleyo point yokuthi hey ngibone ngathi unenkinga wonke umuntu okhuluma ngama-prison wardens yabona. And asikhuluma amanga bhuti, ayikuthi sikhuluma amanga yabona, ayikuthi sikhuluma amanga. And leyo ukuthi wena noma umuntu angaku-atheka ini akuthusele no. Alikho neli-one ex-convict according to my knowledge bhuti wami yabo ebabuya especially ku-Scheme GP because now the igama sekuyi-Scheme GP manje. Ungabheka nalama video akhulunywayo abantu sebayisonteli indaba yakho bhuti. La ngibhilive khona ukuthi ngokumamele mina ipoint yakho wabona, ngokumamela ipoint yakho bokhuluma iside olaziyo, that's all. But the fact yokuthi wena uthi Agenda Network awubizi igama lomnikazi mawuya ku-Scheme awuthi against the wall yabona, ubiza i-Scheme GP yabona. Beka ama-content enziwayo manje sekuthiwa iphoyisa leli likhulume iqiniso le-expose Scheme GP and his friends. Bhuti wami mawungabheka from episode 1 bhuti wami dala ngwabukela ama-podcast and nami ngilapho uyazi yabona. Ungafani nalaba bhuti wami abamamela ama-podcast ku-TikTok kuphela ama-show shortly amanqamuqampu lawa ashoyo ukuthi full story on YouTube bese bangasayi ku-YouTube yabona because ubuningi babantu yazi mfethu impilo enzima abanamadatha mfowethu yabo so isitori sakho wena sesijikiwe kuba ngathi mhlambe wena una something manje ngo-Skim GP una something abantu baku-Skim GP no one will attack you butwami selaphayana usibona sinje butwami we are trying to be to be our best to tell our stories sibhodle siphole nathi siyasidla siyasola mfowethu yabo hayi ukuthi besinyatha namanje butwami ungizwe kahle angikudelele mina as long nje sirespectana njengabantu njengamadoda and then siba nepeace butwami hayi nami I'm game mfowethu yabo hayi ukuthi ngiphendula kanje kabi just nje bengizama ukuraise ama point yabona ukuthi le ndaba seyiswinka kabi manje sokuthiwa kuba ngathi uzo attackwa no one will attack you butwami ungasabi lapho yabona ungasabi lapho hayi bayasithusela dala sithuselwa mfethu nathi uyabona nami ngeagainst inombolo yasejele mawungamamela ama video ami ngabe uyangazi mfethu ungabona mfethu ngiyafonelwa bra wami apha wena mawungayeki lento yakho wena uzofa ini hayi abantu sihlala sithuselwa ngicela ukuthi leyo mntaka baba ungayithathi serious just nje abantu bazama ukuswinta into bheka njengoba ngisho ngithi manje sebasontele indaba yakho yabona sekunge-Skim GP and his friends ba-exposed ngani mfowethu ngani uyabona and abantu abayisontele bhodwami bheka la ku-social media udila nabantu aba-different kunabantu ababhitha mfethu kunabantu abazilela umono ukuthi thina siyabhodla phela ukhumbule ukuthi ama-millions aba-ex-convict athulile mfethu aziphilela impilo yabo kamnandi mfethu bazikhansele ngendlela yabo yabona it doesn't mean manje sonke sidinga amashirinki to go to that podcast to tell my stories yabona yishirinki yethu lesiyenzayo bhodwami if bonga understand yabona so abanye intwana zabo abantwana babo mfethu bayasithola they listen they know their language we talk the same language because we can go down to their level mentally because besilapho mfethu siyazi into esimoshile uyangithola so sizama ukuthi siyehlele kule level yalabantwana sikhulume nabo grand I hope you understand bhodwami mina nginama hard feelings now yabona but lelo ma point nje manje wenzeni uSkim bafowethu and his friends which friends baningi abantu abayelapha over 100 episode mfowethu over 100 episode yabona baningi abantu abayelapha and I hope nawe bongasho kanjalo bhodwami yabona kule life manje yabona ilife ngiyimamela bhodwami and I could see ukuthi uTrinity Msibi ukhuluma ngayo ugqizelela lento yokuthi uthi 100% uvumelana nawe yabona and nawe wabona ukuthi uTrinity ungikhuluma ngabo is one of them yabona and now ngabona ukuthi uyashintsha ebusweni uba serious uyaconcentrate kuye and then naye usakhuluma lento yokuthi ubani ongako attacker ama threat Trinity man no bafethu man ubani ozoku-attacker for what siyakhuluma la kuma social media silungisa ama issues njengoba nawe Nkomonde mfowethu ushilo mfowethu ukuthi u-attack ama social issues wethu abomzansi nangu Trinity Msibi yabona it's like kimi uTrinity umuntu othatha umese aye tavern athi uyosiprotector for what you understand makayenza leyo nto to me yena bekazifunela nje umsebenzi ngendlela zakhe ngisosekaphana nangamanamba ngithi I'm not opposing that right uyaphanda kuyaphushwa mfethu wenza positivity but not in that way if you may understand me not in that way but don't worry my brother I know Trinity I've been supporting Trinity I love him he's my brother maybe you know through the videos I've been supporting him all the way uyazi naye yabona but I did not like when atheli paraffin kind of a thing yabona uyazi Trinity mfowethu ukuthi silapha naye mawungambuza mhlambe yena oruzama ukuthi khipha ukuthi yena no aka-glorify only himself no Trinity it doesn't work like that all of us esiya lapha mfowethu yabona as naye uSkim i-ex-convict You understand? Usho every day ukuthi bafethu, people must tell their stories, and must tell their stories and siqoqozele abantwana.